Nomenclature for general categories of neoplasms. Adenoma, meaning neoplasm derived from glandular cells. Carcinoma, malignant neoplasm derived from epithelial cells. Sarcoma, malignant neoplasms derived from mesenchymal cell, for example, fat and muscle. Lymphoma, malignant neoplasm derived from lymphocytes. Melanoma, malignant neoplasm derived from melanocytes. Germ cell tumor, malignant neoplasm derived from germ cells. Biology of malignant may also be called cancer, malignant tumor, metastatic tumor, and carcinoma. A malignant neoplasm is a cancerous tumor, an abnormal growth that can grow uncontrolled and spread to other parts of the body. If it goes untreated and continues to spread, a malignant neoplasm can interfere with organ function and become life-threatening. What is metastasis? The spread of cancer cells from the place where they first formed to another part of the body. In metastasis, cancer cells break away from the original tumor, travel through the blood or lymph system, and form a new tumor in other organs or tissues of the body. Cancer cells spread through the body of steps. These steps include invading or nearby normal tissue, moving through the walls of nearby lymph nodes or blood vessels, traveling through the lymphatic system and bloodstream to other parts of the body, stopping in small blood vessels at a distant location, invading the blood vessel walls and moving into the surrounding tissue, growing in this tissue until a tiny tumor forms, causing new blood vessels to grow, which creates a blood supply that allows the tumor to continue growing.
Spread of tumors to distant locations is of great importance in cancer. About 90% of the deaths due to cancer involve tumors that have spread around the body. The movement of tumor cells to other parts of the body is known as metastasis. Metastasis is a complex process during which cancer cells break off of the original or primary tumor and move through the body to form tumors at new locations. From the point of view of a cancer cell, this is a dangerous and often unsuccessful process. A trip through the body is full of hazards that cause the death of most cells that begin the journey, even tough cancer cells. To begin the process, individual cells must break away from the tumor and invade nearby vessels. The cells crawl along the surface of other cells and the fibrous, stringy structure surrounding them and then force their way in. Shown here is the invasion of the blood supply. Once inside a blood vessel, the cancer cells may perish from a variety of causes. Some cells die simply because they are unable to survive floating around in the bloodstream. Others may become damaged and die when they squeeze through tight spaces or bump into the walls of the blood vessels. Still, other migrating cells may be recognized and destroyed by cells of the immune system. How and where the migrating cells stop is different for different cancer types. Once the tumor cells are no longer moving, they can begin the process of forming a new tumor by leaving the blood vessel and beginning to reproduce in the new location. This does not always occur, and cells that have made it this far may still die or fail to divide. If the new environment is suitable, the newly arrived cell will begin to grow and a new tumor will develop.